To make honeydew molasses, peel and remove the seeds from a fresh honeydew melon and chop it up to make it easier to blend into a juice. Do not add any other ingredients, including water. Adding extra water to blend the melon easier is counterproductive, and adding any sweetener will dramatically change the flavor of the reduction. Then strain the juice into a heavy bottom sauce pot. Turn down the heat to a low simmer and gently reduce the juice. The foamy top layer is skimmed off as it forms, and as the water in the honeydew melon evaporates, the mixture will become syrupy after a slow reduction of about 45 minutes, and into a honey-colored molasses with a strong honeydew flavor about 15 minutes after that. Do not be in a hurry to reduce the juice, and stir intermittently with a high-heat spatula to avoid burning. Transfer to a small jar or a squeeze bottle to make it easier to add to your next cocktail or dessert. Approximately a liter of honeydew melon juice made 100 milliliters or about 3 ounces of honeydew molasses. Stored in the refrigerator, the molasses will thicken as it cools and keep for about a month.